When is the last time you checked on a friend? It is easy to fake a smile and fake happiness until you are alone in a room when no one can hear you. One in every four people experiences mental health issues. Mental health is as important as physical health. We all have times when we feel down or stressed. Some of us can easily cope up with the situation while others may take time to deal with it. It's not even obvious many times. Mental health affects how we feel, act, handle stress, and make choices. It is important to normalize mental health as much as we have normalized our physical health. By getting people to talk about mental health, we can break down stereotypes. Many people suffer with it, and especially what is going on in the world right now. It differs both on intensity and symptoms from person to person. Anyone could be suffering, and we would not even know. People with mental illness think it is a weakness. This self-induced strain destroy their confidence. Therefore, they avoid talking about their mental health problems. Mental illness should not be something to be ashamed of. There is a dialogue in movie called Tamasha.
एंडिंग सही नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, अपनी कहानी है, एंडिंग चेंज कर लेंगे.
This dialogue is for everyone who feels low and helpless at any point in life. Be your own biggest cheerleader. It is okay to feel this way, for tomorrow will be better. Treatment for mental health is a long process, but we can all get there. And slow progress is better than no progress. As an individual, we all should keep one thing in mind. What goes around comes around. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Spread more joy. Don't be the reason someone feels alone and unheard. Mental health awareness is something we should be promoting on daily basis.